So we come to our passage at the conclusion. And I shared with you several weeks ago, we were at my home. We had a service, and the question was asked about the end times and about people giving up. How do we go about making sure that we, the believers, stay with hope? And I shared at that time, well, I've always, since I learned how to read and had to be retaught how to read and comprehend in the 5th grade, I've always made it a practice to go to the end of the book. I go to the end of the book because it's like a child in Christmas season. All of these gifts are sitting under the tree. And you can't wait the 12 days till Christmas to open up the gifts. So what do? You go and you start peeking in the packages to see what's there. Well, I'm one who likes to peek at the package to see what is in the gift that God so provides. So I go to the end. And the way we're going to start this series, I'm going to go to the end. Now, you know how some movies, they have it, they show you the conclusion of the movie, and then they bring you back and they bring you all the way forward, where I'm going to tell you, starting at the end, and the conclusion, we're going to end in chapter 21 when we get done with this series. But I need for you to get to the end because I need hope now, and we're going to sustain that hope or rebuild that hope for some of you, and for others, build it back up or build it for the glory and the honor of our Lord.